Next topic, commands in Python. Actually, in programming language, except program coding, if you add special character, symbol, letter or word means that will be show the error. But in Python, the lines that begins with an hash symbol means that's considered as a command. That means it won't be show as error. That is ignored by the Python interpreter. So next one, we can classify the commands in Python in two methods. First one is the single line command, second one is the multi-line command. What is the difference between the single line command and multi-line command means? Single line command means the lines that begins with an hash symbol. That means a particular line, if you want to set as a command line means we can using the single line command. We want to set more than one line as a command line means we can using the multi-line command. How? It will be start and end with means the lines that begins with an hash symbol and end with the hash symbol. Next one, indentation. You consider the C++ program means to set the section of code or block of code or declaring the function concept or declaring the object and declaring the class means we have to set the curly braces, that means the open brace and the close brace. But in Python program, to set the white spaces means we can using the space and the tabs. What is the usage of space means? If you are pressing the space bar in keyboard means it will be provide one character space. If you are pressing the tab key means it will provide the 5 character space. So instead of the open brace and the close brace in Python language, we can using the space and the tab keys. Next one, tokens. Python breaks each logical line into a sequence of elementary lexical components known as tokens. Tokens means there is a smallest individual unit in a program, that is a basic building block of a program. Tokens we can classify 5 types. First one is the identifier, second one is the keywords, third one is the operator, fourth one is the delimiter and fifth one is the literals. Now we can see one by one. First one is the identifier. You already studied in 11th standard in C++ program. Identifier means we can also call as the variable. Variable means that holds the value or constant. In Python, what definition they have given means an identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, module or object. Now we can take the example is a variable. So identifier is a name used to identify a variable, that is used to identify a variable. For example, int is the data type, a, b, c, that is a variable. So identifier, that is one of the name. So identify a variable. Okay, how can we declare in a C++ program? Int is the data type, abc is the variable. That is the introduction part. Okay, similar as the class. Next one example is the class. Class a, class is one of the keyword, a is the class name. So here the identifier referred as the class name, similar as the function, model and object. Okay, next one, if you want to declaring the identifier means it has some restriction, how we have to use, how should not be used. First one point, it start with an alphabet or underscore. So identifier start with an alphabet. For example, sum is the one of the identifier. How it will be start mean, s is the alphabet, so it will be start from the alphabet, or underscore, example underscore num, that is a valid identifier. Okay, alphabet means maybe it's a small letter a to z or capital letter a to z. Second point, it contains digit, that means 0 to 9. So example abc2, that identifier contain the number, but identifier should not start with the number. For example 12 name, this is invalid identifier because the identifier start from the number, so that is means is the invalid. Next one, there is a case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive means there is a distinct from lowercase and uppercase. For example, if you are declaring the variable is a small letter, for example here int abc, that is a small letter abc they are declared, but in calculation bar how they are used means capital letter c equal to capital letter a plus capital letter b. If you are if you run this program means it will be show the error, because how you are declaring, that means if you are declaring the variable is a small letter means in calculation part you must use only the small letter. If you are declaring the variable in declaration part is a capital letter variable means you must use only in calculation part is a capital letter. Okay, if you are changed means that will be show the error, that means is the case sensitive. Next one, fourth point, must not be a Python keyword. keyword means that is one of the it has a special meaning to the Python interpreter, should not used as the normal identifier. For example, here they have given is example is a continue. Continue is one of the keyword. That keyword should not used as a identifier. For example, int a is the one of the variable. Instead of the a, if you are using the word is a continue means that will be show the error because that is the keywords. Okay. In next topic they have given the one tabular column for approximately it has the 30 keywords they have given. Okay, that words should not used as the identifier name. Next one, the last point, does not allow punctuation character. What is the meaning of punctuation character? Means is the at symbol, dollar sign, comma, hyphen, like that. So if you are declaring the identifier means the punctuation character should not use. For example, total hyphen mark. So hyphen is the one of the punctuation character. So that is the invalid identifier. Name, dollar sign. Dollar sign is the one of the punctuation character. So that is the invalid identifier.